It serves another very important purpose. The tunnel is actually U-shaped, and at the far end is a sealed chamber, the walls of which are lined with eggs. The eggs are kept in air, as it's richer in oxygen than the water. The problem is the air that's trapped here won't last for long. So the male travels to the open end of the tunnel to gulp fresh air. Back he goes down his tunnel, where he releases it into the egg chamber, replenishing the oxygen on which the eggs depend. He will repeat this hundreds and hundreds of times until his young hatch. This lifestyle is very demanding, yet the mudskipper has found a way around every problem. The harsh challenges of life in the ocean have encouraged other fish to leave the sea. Not for land, but for fresh water. Hawaii is the remotest island chain on the planet. These pools look the perfect place for a fish to live, secluded and free from competition and predators. Yet few contain fish, for one very considerable reason. Surely no fish could swim up this. But one fish comes from the ocean intent on colonizing these streams. It's a tiny goby, and it's a rock climber. With pelvic fins fused into a disc which acts like a sucker, all the goby needs is a film of water to climb through. The pioneer is soon followed by many others, possibly